Demoing another kitchen today. We're ripping out the kitchen, the floors, the tile floors, everything's outdated here. We're going to be installing some Fabrywood white cabinets with a honey glaze. That'll tie in with their existing Brazilian cherry floors. We've also got an awesome 18 by 36 porcelain tile going down. That's going to bring in some of those brown hues. That'll tie in that honey glaze on the cabinet. That'll tie in also with that Brazilian cherry floor. Let's get ready to rumble. We kicked ass on this job, as you can see. This looks amazing. Previous video that we did. So I'm going to remove the socket that had the waistline in it. New tile floors, 18 by 36. This kitchen looks amazing.